Hey everyone, we are back again today talking about the AWS command line interface and getting ours configured so that we can actually do some work. I'm actually going to back out here so I can just show you how I arrived at that screen that I was at previously. So I'm here at the root of the AWS management console. I'm going to click on my name and click security credentials. It's going to take us to this page and we'll have this pop up, which for now we're going to ignore. But there's some best practice information about using IAM versus security credentials, which we will take a deeper dive on at a later date. But for now, we're just going to click continue to security credentials. We're going to drop down this little arrow here, access keys, and you can see I have a couple of them that I've been playing around with and they're both deleted. And I'm just going to say up front, I'm going to delete the keys I'm about to generate way before this video ever gets uploaded. So you can try and use them, but they are not going to work. And you can see here, note, you can have a maximum of 2 access keys active or inactive at a time. So because these are deleted and not just inactive, we'll be able to create a new one. And I'm not going to download or anything. We're just going to use these very temporarily. So we'll hit show access key, and I'm going to open up my PowerShell prompt. And once that loads, AWS configure, and it's going to ask me, oh, I must have misspelled something. Yep, that is not how you spell configure. So AWS configure. All right, much better. So I'm going to grab this guy, copy, and now it's going to ask for my secret access key. Copy, and we may have gotten some white space here. I'm just going to try that again. That can mess you up, unfortunately. Let's go back to PowerShell, paste. Now for our default region name, we are going to type US-East-1. And this is kind of something I've discovered over trial and error. If you do just US-East, you'll get some issues, and if you try to do East 1A or 1B, it'll also, you try to specify an availability zone, it is going to give you an error. So we're just going to stick with US-East-1. In the default output format, you can leave this set to none, but I just always default to JSON. So that's that. So we'll clear, and then we're just going to type AWS configure one more time. I'll get there eventually. Okay, so now you can see the last 4 digits of our access key ID, and if we hit enter, it'll just retain what has already been set. So hit enter again. You can see those match up. We'll hit enter again, US-East-1 and JSON. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you very quickly how to generate an access key ID and a secret access key, and then how to configure the CLI. In the next video, we will create a S3 bucket, and we'll go ahead and upload some data, show you how that works.